Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to solve this tricky math quiz and give you the correct answer. So the quiz is 50 plus 50 minus 25 times 0 plus 2 equals. Okay, for you to solve this kind of quiz, you need to apply the law of both mass. Okay, both mass. So both mass stands for bracket, order of operation, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, if we want to follow the rule of Boltzmann's, the Boltzmann's rule, we are going to first of all solve what is in a bracket. If there is nothing in the bracket, the quiz does not have anything, we are going to follow this order. Okay, so in this order, we need to do division. We check, there's no division, we do multiplication. If we check here, this is multiplication. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do here is 25 times 0. Negative 25 times 0 is equals to 0. Okay, now the quiz will now look like 50 plus 50. Okay, here is 0 plus 2 plus 2 is equals. If we continue, we see that everything here is addition. Now 50 plus 50 will give us 100. 100 plus 2 will give us 102. 102 plus 2 will give us 104. 104 is equal. Therefore, the correct answer to this quiz is equal to, answer is equal to 104. Okay, now there are some of you that whenever you see this quiz, you quickly say anything multiplied by 0 will give us 0. So you take this 0 and multiply everything this side. This is wrong. This 0 is affecting only this negative 25. Okay, that's why some of you have 4, which is wrong. Thank you for watching. Check out other quizzes in this channel.